Henlein Business Plan, written by Gunter Angel Kut Cardenas. Mission Statement. Henlein goal is to manufacture the best automatic folding knife. Low cost, easy maintenance, best materials, ambidextrous, customizable, direct-to-consumer sales, install payments powered by FedNow service, and convenient fast shipping. The team. I'm the Chief Executive Officer, Gunter Angel Kut Cardenas. Tao Quan Jin, international logistic expert with offices in China and United States, and 24 manufacturing machine suppliers. Market summary. Multi-tools knives such as Victorinox, Stiletto, automatic switchblades are the most famous folding knives today, but now Henlein is almost ready to place themselves into the pedestal of fame, and I will keep innovating on the knife industry throughout the research and development. Opportunities. There's a demand for customizable knives at affordable prices, but currently a custom-made knife will cost you hundreds of dollars. These brands have overpriced knives with low-quality steels. We have Bucker custom knives, we have Gerber custom knives, and then we have Benchmade. They use steels such as 428C, S30V, and 20CV. Prices $75 all the way up to $340. Henlein instead will use magna steel, the best current stainless steel for knives. Prices $61 with 88 cents to $71 with 88 cents. Magna steel knife competition. Blade HQ, their cheapest magna steel knife is $124 with 95 cents and it's a fixed blade knife. It's very similar to kitchen knives. Prices $124. In the folding knife is $143 with 96 cents all the way up to $565. Henlein Business Composite. A low standard knife with no modification. The price will be $61 with 88 cents. This price will motivate the people to click on the product and explore their options. If they pay $10 extra, they could add 2 colors, a zodiac sign, a Chinese bird animal, and you could write your name and last name on the knife. These extra features will increase the price to $71 with 88 cents. Key technologies: CPM Magna Cut, thick wood, KPL pivot loop, ceramic bearings, pearl wood lacquer. There's a total of 45 parts in my knife and all of them are made in-house. Folding knife maintenance. If we remove the pivot screw and the pivot nut, we will have the knife spring and the blade. Then we could clean the dust of the parts and then add KPL pivot loop on these parts. After that, there's also other blade designs, not only the drop point. We could offer the Tanto, the Bowie, and the Warmcliff. These are in development because all of them will be designed with the grinder. The blade grinder is like $21,000 grinder, and based on that we could change the design of the blade. The raw materials, all of them are from New York, from Maryland, from Pennsylvania, and from Central and South America. Teakwood farms are in Central and South America because it's cheaper, but if teakwood is too expensive to import, what I'm going to do is replace the teakwood with yellow cedar from Alaska, which is a great wood after teakwood, and we could replace it with that one, so I'm not worried about that. So the greatest enemy of steel is rust. CPM Magna Cut has a similar toughness and edge retention to non-stainless steel, like Crewware 4V, Vanatis 4 Extra. The corrosion resistance is also excellent, even better than I was expecting, which means that the hardness and the corrosion resistance has a balance that is very impressive, which the hardness of 64 RC and the corrosion resistance being even better than steels like S110V, S45V, and M390. KPL Ultralight Pivot Loop Synthetic Oil is made for folding knives. Ultra-flow, light molecular weight base with minimal fluid viscosity for high-speed deployment. High-pressure film stabilizers to prevent metal-on-metal contact under high loading stress. Contaminant encapsulating technology to keep dirt and grit in suspension so they can wear away the knife parts. Corrosion inhibitors to keep the rust and oxidation at bay. Non-evaporating, non-oxidizing formula won't dry up, won't dry out, or gum up inside of the knife. Non-toxic formula. Ceramic truss bearings are made with zirconia oxide balls with the following characteristics. Corrosion resistance, so they can be used in acidic and alkaline situations. High temperature resistance, which remains the same strength and hardness when the temperature nearly comes to 550 degrees. Not magnetic and electrical insulation. Low density is about 60.05 grams per centimeter, approximately 20% lighter than steel balls, which decrease in centrifugal force in the groove, reducing the wear and tear. Excellence resistant to oxidation and metal erosion. Low friction coefficient and high surface finish. Hardness close to diamond. PET housing is highly machinable. Semi-crystalline thermoplastic that has excellent heat resistant, mechanical strength, and chemical resistant. In addition, its polymer structure allows for exceptional environmental resistance, dimensional stability, and mechanical strength. Teak wood is the best wood in the world. Teak is hard, medium density wood, strong and durable. Teak is naturally acid and fire resistant. It is naturally high in protective oils, which makes it resistant to moisture. Resistant to mold and mildew, resistant to termites. Is not prone to significant expansion or contraction in humidity changes. Pro wood finishes. We use two kinds of, we use the primer and the lacquer paint. They have the same color, just that one is the primer and the other one is the paint. And you want to give the knives a piano wood finish. There's a total of 213 colors to choose from, but the first 18 colors will be black, white, brown, red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple, cyan, magenta, turquoise, acid green, violet, burgundy, beige, silver, and gold. Where the factory will be built? In Honesdale, in Wayne County, Northeast Pennsylvania. Penn's Northeast provide real estate, land and building options, workforce and employment recruitment with financial incentives and additional assistance as needed. Wayne County home is highly skilled labor with wood and metal working industry, with a growing number of technology and media workers moving into the area. Wayne County is 244 miles away from Niagara Specialty Metals, the steel suppliers for Magna Cut Steel. Honesdale Outdoor Lifestyle, oldest library in America, great education for kids, a town with good hospital and hospitality, work-life balance, and in Pennsylvania, there's 16 centers across the state to support small businesses in all areas. We could assist small business with everything from startup to employment retention. Easy access to New York City, Washington, D.C., Baltimore, and Cleveland. In various cities or countries, there are often tax incentives for building a business, opening a business, or having a warehouse. The average price of owning a home in Pennsylvania is $155,500. There are a lot of colleges and universities in Pennsylvania that offer educated workforce. The warehouse is 12,000 square feet. We have all the machines needed to build the knives. Sterling Business Technology Park is constantly working to reduce projects and construction time. Usually, the land development plan usually is 30 to 60 days to get the permits. The zoning is already planned by the business park. And the infrastructure, they already have all the infrastructure, sewer, sweet water, and they also have non-potable water. They also have power, which electricity, and network for internet. And there is very close to Wake County and close to Homestead. Here's the land, is 18,000 square feet. Here's all the machines needed. We have a backhoe loader. We have a cross-country forklift with a crane. We also have attachments such as a snow blower and a cage. We have a parking system for 31 vehicles. It's electrical. We have a mixing machine for making ceramic bearings. We have a welding machine. We have a vacuum quenching furnace. We have a nitrogen generator. We have a polishing machine. We have a walkie stacker. We have a lifting platform. We have a sharpening machine. We have the double side grinding blade. We have the EDM wire cutting machines. We have for the screws. We have also the machines for laser cutting. So this is like the deadlines. Usually the backhoe loader, it could be made in 10 days. The walkie stacker, everything that is in yellow, usually is less than 2 months. And in cyan are the ones in 60 days, 30 days, but usually 2 months to get everything made, and then 1 month more to get all the supplies being shipped from China to the United States. So 3 months. The goals and objectives, it have in December month, I'll be training employees for about 3 weeks so they could learn. First of all, 1 week is training, the second week is practice so they could learn. And on January 2024, I'll be shipping the holiday pre-orders. It start producing 6,000 knives, 30,000 knives a week, 117,500 in a month. At the end of 2024, the goal is to have 1,410 knives. Based on that, average American worker works 47 weeks, but in a year, the total is 52 weeks. The middle of 2025, pay the balloon loan to lenders. Sales and marketing strategy. So social media, streaming service, live streaming, reels, shorts, TikToks, and podcasts. We have Snapchat, Prime Video, YouTube Premium, we have Facebook, we have Twitch, we have TikTok, we have Instagram. The content creation strategy, short video content usually is 1 minute long. We have it available for TikTok, Instagram Reels, Snapchat, and YouTube Shorts. We also have for posting photos, Instagram and Facebook. In YouTube, we have video shorts, vlogging reactions, finance challenges, games, podcasts, documentaries, games, streaming, TV shows, movies. Usually They vary in video length: 1 minute, 4 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, up to 180 minutes. But usually that could be seen on TV shows, movies. So it depends on the content, is the length of the video. We will make social media content based on all these YouTubers. We have the clues for engineering viral content. We need photo content. We need short content video. We need to pay attention to the AVD and the CTR, which is click-through rate, and the average view duration. We have the high quality video, high quality audio, storytelling, storyboard, thumbnails. How to engineer viral content, tutorials, challenges, discussions, reactions, daily vlogs. We have gaming videos, finance YouTubers, podcasts, traveling blogs, documentary, streaming, TV shows, and movies. My storytelling, record videos of me building the factory will give me at least 180 minutes of video, which can be break down into 6 episodes. This could be available to watch on YouTube and Amazon Prime Video. Make this type of video will bring at least 10 million views per month, an estimated revenue of $600,000 per month from ad revenue from YouTube and Amazon Prime Video. The goal with this is to have a product placement and branding throughout the entertainment. The soundtrack, we have the meaning of life, we have what we think versus what we know, unspoken, unbroken, one-way ticket. 95% of all music used in the videos are copyright free, but there's alternative musicians such as David Schroeder. I met him and we agreed for a music license to use all my videos for $40,000, which could be paid back with YouTube revenue. His voice sometimes sounds like Phil Collins. So we have right here the audio engineer, the director of photography, and the web developer. This is the equipment I already have, but this equipment I need. We need the DJI for the running. We need high quality headphones, mounts, a good quality microphone. Then we need a drone, suction like hydro microphones. We need microphones also for like surfaces. We have also like high quality cameras, high quality microphones, mixers. We have lighting. The websites I'm building right now, we're gonna use LexisNexis and Stripe to create to be part of the FedNow Reserve Bank install payment service. So the idea is to make a great e-commerce experience. The money needed will be $6 million. Manufacturing equipment, the steel warehouse with 31 cars parking system, $958,764.97. Manufacturing tools, $21,473.36. Studio gear, $53,000. Web server, $20,000. Workstation, about almost $6,000. And the total $1,072,366 with 27. The import cost to bring everything is about $326,697.69. The factory construction will be $795,000, and the total for working capital is $3,803,460.57. Projected revenue. My projected revenue will be $60 million at selling 940 knives in the first 12 months. In order to achieve that goal, we need to sell 940 knives in 31 weeks. based on the average workers' weeks work in a year. My factory has a capacity of 6,000 knives per day. In a week, we will make 30,000 knives. In 31 weeks, we will have 940 knives. And my projected revenue for the next year will be 90 million by selling 1,410 knives in the next month. The revenue will increase about 30 million. In order to achieve this goal, we need to sell 1,410 knives in 47 weeks. This is based on the average work weeks worked in a year. My factory has a capacity of 6,000 knives per day. In a week, we will have 30,000 knives. In 47 weeks, we will have 1,410 knives. Usually it's 52 weeks in a year, but the average American works 47 weeks. Here's my offer. Let me borrow $6 million balloon loan for 24 months at 25% APR. The total amount paid to the lender was $9 million. I've been not being successful to find an investor, a private equity, venture capital, whatever. But I have another strategy. So I'm applying for a grant for $100,000. The idea is to have a product sample, a website, money for marketing. So the idea is to travel to China, make samples of the knife, then build the website, the front end and the back end, then pre-sell 117.500 folding knives. That will bring a gross revenue of 8,445,900. And to build the factory, like I said, it's 2.2 million. Then I will spend about almost $1 million to build the knives, and the revenue will be 5,305,000 with 902. So I could pull this off, and I could do it with $100,000. In order to do that, I need to win this grant. I applied to so many opportunities. I'm Colombian. I'm 23 years old. I've been living in the United States for 7 years, and this has been a dream of mine since I was 19 years old. So about 3-4 years ago. And I want to have this a reality. Have a factory is very expensive, and do pre-sales is really hard, but not impossible. And $100,000 will give me enough money needed in order to do this. And I want to talk to the grants and see if I could get the opportunity, because this is very important for me. That's it for today's video. Thank you very much.